Hi, my name is Danielle Ray. I am a pattern designer and artist living on the Oregon coast, and today we are going to reorganize and redecorate my entire sewing/art studio. If you like a cozy vlog style of watching people organize and clean with time lapses, maybe a little shopping, and a really clear start to finish, then this video is for you. If you have any questions on where I got stuff in my studio or just how I set it up for the best workflow, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoy. Hi, my name is Danielle Ray, and welcome to the disaster that is my sewing studio. I have really bad ADHD, and every once in a while, I let my studio get to a point where it is unworkable, unusable, just an absolute disaster. And a little bit of this is because we left for the holidays, and I was doing a million things at once, getting ready to go. So this is how it looks at the moment. So today we are going to not only reorganize my studio, but redecorate a little bit. So we're gonna head out to Ikea in Portland, which is a 2-hour drive or a 4-hour round trip drive. So this will be like the entire day, but we're gonna shop a little. I need a new rug. I want a big rug for the studio, even though it's not practical with all of the sewing scraps and pins and needles and everything. The concrete floor is really cold, and I think it'll bring a lot of warmth and comfort for myself into the studio. So we need a really big rug. I need to get some more lights. I want to get rid of, I have, so you can see, these awful LED, like bright fluorescent lighting. I want to get rid of that and just use these big balls. I need to get some more storage. The wall over there, I want to fill up that whole wall with quilt storage. I should probably get rid of some quilts, but I'm a little bit of a hoarder, so we're just going to get more storage. I also want to get some art, potentially not from Ikea, but just some more lighting, like lamp lighting, some floor lighting, maybe some new plants. I need some pillows, because I don't have time to make them, and an end table for the couch. And essentially, I just kind of want to make this space feel more homey, more cozy, and a space that I want to spend time in. So let's go to Portland, Oregon, and go to Ikea for a little bit of a shopping spree. And we'll start 2026 off on a clean, organized note. I am so overwhelmed. I came to Ikea on Saturday, which was a terrible idea because it is absolutely slammed here. So I'm hiding in the back, almost done. I have, I think, everything I need except for a few things that were sold out. So let's get the heck out of this store. I'm gonna have a panic attack. This is the thing I'm most excited about, is this rug. $150, $622 later. About $100 of that was for stuff for our house, but Jesus. Okay, one down, one more to go. So I went to Ikea yesterday, as you guys saw, and I got a couple new organizational cabinets for my quilts. I got a new rug, which I'm gonna put underneath the table. Oh my god, look at this mess. This is insane. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna start by taking everything out of here that doesn't belong in here, and then we'll start organizing. I have to take everything out to put the rug in anyway, so we're gonna start with that. We're gonna start taking everything out of this room and go from there. Okay, so I've been working on this all day and I'm getting somewhere, but I still have a lot to go. So I'm gonna tackle this section next. I'm watching Mean Girls for some reason, but I'm gonna tackle this section now, so let's do it. Okay, I need a little dog walking break. This is where we're at right now. Studio is still pretty empty. It is like 3:30. This is taking me all day. And this is what the outside of my studio looks like. There's still so much shit that I need to bring in. So dog walk, and then I'm going to get back in here and keep moving. I'm gonna try to finish tonight. It's 3:30. I do have to make dinner at some point. Finishing seems ambitious, but we're gonna try our best. I just took all of this out of the wheels of my sewing chair. So, I don't know if I like this. I don't know. Let's take a look here. It's okay. Ugh, still such a mess. Okay, I'm gonna put together this cute little side table for the couch area. I think I like this layout. It's coming together. Well, look how cute that is. I also got this from Ikea and I'm kind of obsessed. It's an extension cord and it's super cute and yellow. One last thing I want to do before I call it a night is mess with some light. Actually, yeah, mess with some lighting since it's dark out now. I want to turn off these big fluorescent lights. They're absolutely hideous. So we're gonna turn those off. And then we're gonna go get some of the new lighting I got. I got some more of these big lights because it's so dark now in here. But I'm hoping maybe a few more floor lamps and another one of these will work. We'll see. So hold on, let me go grab those lights. Okay, I got these lights off Amazon. I got a bar light and then a little ball light. Which I already forgot to grab the remote for. So it's gonna do disco balls, I guess, for a minute. Now that I have the studio pretty much clean and done, it's time to bring all the plants back in because it's cozy in here again. I turned off the heat for a while, but we're good. So let's start bringing all the plants in. I'm so excited too because I have some grow lights coming for all of these soon that are gonna go up there. I need to get better bottoms, so this is what I have right now. I'm gonna put these under, give them water, and then I'll start putting them back. Okay, while I was bringing in the plants, I ended up also getting some deliveries from Amazon. I ordered some more light bulbs and some more of these big, you can't see them right now, but the big hanging lights to try and get a little more light in here without using my fluorescent monstrosities. So I ordered some color changing bulbs because I like to change the mood. Some hanging cords for bulbs. Oh, and another floor lamp, which I technically bought for in the house because there's a floor lamp over there that I bought for the studio, and we loved it so much that we're like, let's go in for the house too. And then this huge package, I think, is the lanterns because they're fragile. Big box for this, which I get it, they're fragile. Well, other than the one wonky one, this is kind of fun. I can turn them all to red or green or blue. That's so fun. I want mood lighting, do like a little orange. I kind of like it. It's fun. I'm going to start putting all my plants up around my studio, so we'll keep going. Okay, we finished, and it is time for the grand reveal. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me reorganizing and redecorating my sewing studio. I feel so much better and I'm ready to get back to work and back into 2026. It's January 5th and I'm looking forward to this year now. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour. And if you're ever on the Oregon coast, hit me up. Come by, we can sew together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out as a small artist. Bye!